In today's video, I will teach you how to invert colors in Gimp. Let's get started. Inverting colors in Gimp can be a fascinating technique, bringing about unexpected and dramatic results. Here's a detailed guide on the various methods of color inversion available in Gimp. The first method is the basic color invert. Start by opening an image in Gimp. Then navigate to the Colors menu, then select Invert. This command transforms each pixel's hue to its opposite on the color wheel, while also inverting the brightness values. The result can range from an alien-like quality in portraits to surreal effects in landscapes. The second method is by using the linear invert. Find the linear invert command in the Filters menu or use Goat Exercise, applying linear invert to the selected layer. Linear invert utilizes linear-like calculations, providing a different approach compared to perceptual calculations. The exact distinction may be complex and may not be crucial for basic usage. The next one is Value Invert. Go to the menu bar, then choose the Value Invert option. Unlike Basic Color Invert, Value Invert only affects brightness and not hue. This leads to a significant change in appearance of colors in the image. And if the invert option is unavailable or not working as expected, first, check the color mode of your document under Image, then Mode submenu. Invert commands works best in RGB or grayscale color mode. If your document is in indexed mode, convert to RGB or grayscale for proper invert functionality. By understanding these methods, users can explore creative possibilities of color inversion in Gimp, whether for artistic effects, recreating film negatives, or experimenting with image compositions. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.